No, a bacio. Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something easy and tasty like always. We're going to deep fry some veg. Aubergine, in this case we're going to deep fry aubergine, onion and carrot all together in the butter. Gonna be absolutely delicious. Easy, very tasty. And we don't need much. I show you. We need one aubergine, one carrot, one onion, and some basil leaves. Okay? Easy, very easy. What we're going to do now is this. We start from the aubergine, off and off, cut in two. Up to you, you can cut it. We're gonna grate it. You know how is better for you. You take a plate from the big side and take your aubergine and just start grating the best way you can. We're gonna grate all aubergine. An easy job, just watch your finger. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. You see? Okay, I'm going to grate all my aubergine and I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay guys, my aubergine is done. Take one of these and put everything inside because the aubergine have a lot of water inside. We're gonna leave at least 10 minutes to lose some water. Take a bowl like this and add some salt. Mix a little bit. Leave on the side, and now we start cut the onion and the carrot. Okay? Onion by knife, and we need like the rings, no? Like this. Not too thick because they're gonna fry easily. And now we cut this onion like this. You can chop again, just roughly, you know, like this. Now we move in the corner this. From the big side where you did the aubergine, grate the carrot. It's very easy. Okay. My carrot's done. Okay guys, now I'm waiting another 5 minutes for my aubergine. You know, they're gonna lose some water at the moment. You know, and when the aubergine they're ready, I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay? Now, what we're gonna do? Take again and squeeze a little bit more. See more water coming. And the job is done. take another clean bowl and put everything inside. We're gonna mix the onion and the carrot. Now we add some pepper, if you like, and some salt. I like some basil leaves, just chop it by hands like that, not many. If you like, of course. And after this, we're going to prepare the butter, and we're going to prepare as well the pan to fry this in the butter. Now mix. After this, we need to prepare the butter. I show you in the second. Okay guys, for this second step, what we need, my pan and the vegetable oil, I use sunflower oil for this, is on, very gentle. We're gonna need 150 grams of plain flour, 1 egg, and I'm gonna use in this butter a glass of white wine, but it's not obligatory. If you want, you can use water, but listen, it's something different, but working very good together. But what we're gonna do, egg inside, 1 for this amount, flour, we start mix, and we add our wine, just mix very well. Now our veg inside, and we mix very well again. And basically, guys, the job is done. I show you my mix, okay? Now, guys, the oil need another 3-4 minutes to be in temperature, and I'm gonna show you when we start deep fry it. Okay, guys, my oil is ready. Prepare as well 1 plate with some kitchen roll on top, and we start. You know, this always depends now how big you want make this. I take a spoon and I make like that. Not very close, okay? Okay, this they're gonna fry 3-4 minutes, not more, okay? Yeah. Absolutely. I cannot wait to try it, okay? When it's nice and gold from one side, we can turn it. It's 3 minutes. I'm turning. Nice. Beautiful. Okay. Very fine. Anyway, guys, deep fry all your veg as you for taste it. See you later. Guys, my vegetable deep fried, my nuvolette, they're ready. Look how beautiful they are. Fantastic. Easy job. In 45-50 minutes you make this. It's quite absolutely stunning, delicious. Now, some salt, of course, if you like, and we can use some. I wanna try some. I like with sweet chili, and we try it. I don't want it very hot, but guys, oh look at that. A bacio, like I said, guys. Absolutely delicious. Always we are not master chef, but we make good stuff. Anyway, guys, my veg deep fried butter with wine, al bacio, is this. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.